Hello everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to do another layout for Scrapbook Your Joy using the Storyteller collection from Vicki Luton. Today, Moira and I are both going to be working with the challenge, one of the challenges in November from the Facebook group, and it was working with the letter D. So we have decided to use December daily or December documented and diagonals and die cuts. Kind of where we're going. So I figured I'm going to make some sort of a spread. I'm not really sure where. I haven't figured that part out yet, but I have all the die cuts still. I really need to work on that a little bit. But I found this one and this one, and I feel like especially this one, works with December so well because it's that reddy pink color. And I thought maybe if I did like one for each kid, I don't know. There's also this Daydreamer wreath. So I pulled these from my die cuts because they were in the die cut collection. And then I haven't figured out my diagonal yet. I know it's going in December daily, so that's easy enough. I'm thinking about maybe using a bunch of words like the word document. I'm not exactly sure yet, but that is where we're planning. That's kind of our plan, what our goal is. I am wondering if I have in here, let's see, there is that gorgeous green that I probably would not use. Actually, let's see if I should pull this. Oh, it's on the back of this. Okay, look at that green. I feel like for Christmas that would just work so well. So, and there's even a little bit of this red. Sorry. I just kind of pulled everything out together. So there's some Christmas colors right there with those tags. I'm not sure. It's not something I'm going to record. I don't know how to record documenting December. My brain doesn't go in one direction when I do stuff like that. It's kind of all over the place. So I don't think I'm going to do it live. However, thinking out loud here, I have my I've been working in I do an advent calendar traveler's notebook spread every year. This is the one from 2019, so this is last year's, and I don't think I barely touched this one. So I'm wondering if I can figure out one of the prompts and maybe get one of the prompts used up and do it in here. So I'm gonna probably work on that. I also have one from 2018, so I'll see which one works best, and I'll come back and show you what I created. All right, let's talk about what I did. So I used the word document, so D, document joyful things, but I got a D there. I used, it's kind of it's not a diagonal, it's just a tilt, but that's kind of the way I took it. It's in my December daily, which is good. December documented, I guess. And I used some of the die cuts. Now I didn't use a ton of them. I used the tag and this little piece here and this little piece and a couple stickers, but I'm counting them all as the same thing. And then my journaling is on the back. And that does it for mine. I had fun playing with the challenge. It's open until the end of the month if you still want to play, so you've got some time. And go check out what Moira decided to do for this fun challenge. I think I will probably come back and have another layout for you featuring this collection either later this week or early next week. I kind of have an idea in my head for an awesome layout idea. So you should see me using this collection at least one more time before it's gonna be all Christmas all the time on my channel for a little while. So thanks everyone so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.